Done that, we're going to move into the next exercise, which we call the hip rolls. You're going to lay flat on your back, keeping your neck and your lower back tight to the floor. You're going to bend both knees together, bringing the heels as close to your buttocks as possible. Then you're going to stretch both arms out from the sides of the body and raise them up overhead as far as your shoulders are comfortably able to go. Then you're going to slowly lower both legs to one side until you reach a comfortable stretch. Again, you do not want this to be painful. You're going to hold this for a 10 count. Then you're going to slowly move your legs to the other side and repeat the exercise, holding for a 10 count. And you're going to do a total of 4 repetitions. The key here as you roll the legs side to side is you want to keep the knees close together. You do not want them to separate. You want to keep your belly button pulled towards your spine so that the core is engaging and protecting your low back through the whole entire sequence. Then, once you've done your 4 repetitions, while keeping one leg in the bent position, you're going to stretch out the other leg, and then you're going to point the toes up to the ceiling and imagine bringing the toes towards your shin as well. And you're going to hold that for a 20 count. Then you're going to bring the straight leg back to the bent position, and you're going to repeat on the other side, straightening the opposite leg. Again, bring the toes up and towards the shin, hold for 20 count, and then bring it back. You're going to repeat this 2 more times. Then, after that, we're going to do the double leg to chest stretch. So, you're going to bring both your knees up as far as you comfortably can. You're going to grab the knees, and you're going to gently pull them down for a 15 count. And if you'd like, you can also separate the knees even further on this one to get a better stretch. Very last exercise after that, we're going to flip over onto your stomach, and then if you have a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball, you can get that, and we're going to be using this to find trigger points or adhesions in the hip flexor muscles. So you're going to find the ball and lay right onto it, and then you can kind of roll around searching for a spot that's very tender and tight, and you'll know when you hit it. Once you found that spot, you're going to stop there, you're going to push pressure into that ball, and you're going to hold that for about 20 seconds on each spot and just let it release. Then you can roll around again, find another spot, and it's very common to find anywhere from 2 to 3 spots on each side. So hold those points, 20 seconds each point, and then when you're ready, you'll flip to the other side and make sure you release both of the hip flexors. And that's the total of a great exercise routine that's going to help with low back pain, hip pain, and sciatica.